Flight 9870 took off from Greater Rockport to Isolani on August 20 of 2026 and taxied down taxiway 24 at 55 to 63 knots and took off from runway 23. And the captain got on the speaker and told everyone that the aircraft is about to take off, for everyone to sit down and relax, that this would be a 9-hour flight. It said that they were going up to 2,000 feet and then 3,000. As the landing wheels retracted and it went up to 2,000 to 1,000 through 2,000 feet. And as it went up, it did a vertical takeoff and then it started stalling due to it losing airspeed. As it went back down, they recovered from the stall for picking up airspeed. And as they went out land, and went off on a normal flight, but at 9:43 p.m. the plane was losing airspeed due to engine failure, and they tried to turn on the engines, but it didn't work, so the captain went on the speaker and told the passengers to brace yourselves as the plane went down to 300 feet. The pilot decided to make an emergency landing in the water as it went down to 100 feet, and the pilot put the throttle down to go land speed. As it said 30 feet, the pilot lifted up the nose. But right now, it was stalling due to losing airspeed. And it was at 300 feet, 200, and then it went to 100. And as they approached the water, they quickly got the wheel on and landed the plane safely. But unfortunately, there was no Coast Guard on duty. So they grabbed a piece of wreckage and got on it and fired a flare gun. As they fired the flare gun, nobody saw it. So they got a piece of wreckage, then they got to shore by swimming. And as right now, they still haven't found the wreckage because it didn't really break that much. But they will find wreckage soon, and the water was going up really, really fast. So as it went under the water, it was sinking. The water came up pretty fast. It was flooding the cabin. As they threw another flare gun, the cabin was filling up real fast. And as they got a wreckage and they got to shore,